Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to install the cabin filter, not the cabin filter, the air filter for a 2022 Lexus RX350. This is the F Sport model. I bought the filter for like 6,000 change off of Amazon, and I just got it basically in the mail. Hopefully this could stay up. So here it is inside of here. I don't even know. Okay, it's a Bosch brand, as you guys can see. And I don't even know, do we have a part number on here? I don't know if we have a part number on the box, but I'm gonna check to see if it fits. I don't even know if it fits. But it's a Bosch brand. Bosch brand should be good. Yeah, I don't know what size. I gotta look into it to see actually what size. So I'll pop the hood. Let me go around, get outside real quick. As you can see how clean it is. It's all white. Let's go. Alright, so I'll flip the camera around underneath the hood. It's right here. They clip off as well. Let me see if we have another clip over here. Do it. No, I don't see no other clips. It should be able to lift it up like so. See all that dust and everything. Could try to match it up and see. This one is like less. I don't even know what brand this is. This look like a Fram. I'm not even sure. I don't think that it's OEM. I don't know. But look like the same size, right? Hopefully you guys could see. Really dusty. I should have like a microfiber cloth so I could just wipe out in there from all that dust. But yeah, so all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just drop this one in there. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me get a microfiber cloth first. Alright guys, I already wipe it out with a dry microfiber cloth. And as I said, I don't know if right here is the part number right there, the one that say 973. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just want to show this on camera to make sure. If you guys try to look it up, you know, you'll probably find it. But I got this off of Amazon for like $6 and change. And Bosch is a good brand. You know, they have different types of air filter. But yeah, it's pretty easy to just drop it in. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys like I really want to. I ain't got no, I don't have my tripod with me to like stand it up to show you guys. I'm trying to keep it right there. Hopefully you guys not gonna be able to see. Alright, like right about here should be good. So since I already unclipped everything, you just put it underneath, you know, just like so. Just drop it in. Line it up and drop it in. Can I get it to fit? Is it going to fit? Alright, just line it up guys. That's all you gotta do, just line it up. There we go. I got it. So it does fit. It fit 100%. 100% fit. And right there, let me try to turn on the light for a little bit. Right there, just like so. Alright, so just make sure you line it up just like this one right here and the other one in between there, pushed in. I don't know why it's not focusing. You need to focus. This is pushed in there, just like this one. It's pushed in. Just line it up, push it down, lock it in, and lock it in, and it's good to go. And that's it, guys. I had cut my finger. So just take your time. If you got to put on some gloves, put on some gloves. It's up to you. And that's how you change it, guys. It's easy, it's simple. As you can see, for this one is mad dirty. And not only that it's dirty, look at all that dust. This right here is very important. You know, let the vehicle breathe. The intake, basically when you step on the gas, it sucks in more air and it pick up all the dirt, the dust. You know, when you have a clogged air filter, your vehicle could burn gas, burn more fuel than what it's supposed to. And sometimes it affect your acceleration as well. Sometimes when you step on the gas, you know, the vehicle is supposed to move, it's supposed to take off. When you notice that you're not getting that fast acceleration no more, most likely you have a clogged air filter. And if you notice that you're burning more fuel than usual, you know, everybody knows their car. You own your car for 6 months to a year, you will feel the difference driving your vehicle. So you can see this one was done. You're supposed to change your air filter like some of them give you like a year. I say like every 10,000, every 12,000 miles you're supposed to change them, you know. So say like every year, depends on how your driving style is. Some people change it every 6 months, some people change them every year. But look at all that debris that it picks up. Real dirty. This one was basically done. I don't even know what brand this one was, if this one was a Fram or what, but as you can see, this one is done. All that dirt. Look at all that dirt. It's done. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, it is hot. It's really hot out here in Florida. Throw this in the trash. You could get different types, different brands. They do have different types, different brands. You could shop online. You could get them off Walmart. You could get it off of Amazon, your local auto store, eBay. Just make sure you put in the year, the make and the model, and make sure it's the correct fit. If it's not the correct fit, it's not going to fit in the vehicle. No matter what you do, how much you try to force it, it's not going to fit. So make sure it's the correct fit. Woo. It is blazing out here. But yeah, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. You know, I will be bringing more vehicle content. I hope you guys enjoy this quick installation. I know I didn't have my tripod, but as you can see on the RX350, it was pretty easy. It was pretty easy. It was pretty simple. Yeah, it was pretty easy. It was pretty simple. Easy as 1, 2, 3. The one that I installed is the Bosch brand. You know, yeah, it was a Bosch brand. Easy, simple installation. I could close this down and I could do like a little test drive to see how it feels. And I should notice the difference in driving, because that one was the old one was totally clogged up and it was basically done. Yeah, so there you have it. Quick and easy installation. I need to close down the garage. Oh my gosh. So yeah, quick and easy installation. Brand new Bosch brand. I don't know. Let me switch. See, I don't know if this is the part number or what, or the other number that I showed earlier in the video, but it works. And this was basically 6 and change, so can't go wrong. It works. It's new. It's a good brand at that. Bosch brand is actually a good brand, you know. Yeah, Bosch brand is actually a good brand, so I don't have nothing to worry about. A lot of different air filters aftermarket, and you could get it OEM as well. You could get it from the dealership, shop online. It's up to you. You know, online it's probably going to be, for the OEM, I can't remember how much I had saw it for. Over 25 bucks, maybe about $40. But you could get something cheap as that and still gonna get the job done. It's just up to you. Whatever you prefer is up to you. They do have some of them that's the K&N. The K&N brand is actually a good brand as well. It's just up to you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope this video helped you guys. It's pretty easy to do it on most cars, any cars. Just remove that intake box, you know, cut two, 3, 4 clips. Remove the clips. This one only had like 2 clips. You just pull the clips down, you take out the old one and just replace it, put in the new one, and you're done. You could take a microfiber cloth, just wipe it out, wipe out the box, and you just put the new one in, and you're good to go. Easy and simple. That's 1, 2, 3. But yeah, please like, please share it out, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Did I do a good job without a tripod? You know, did I struggle? Did I show every detail, how easy it is? Was it hard? You know, Lexus RX350 2022, it's a piece of cake. It's easy. That's 1, 2, 3. Peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless. It is hot. I'm about to turn this vehicle on, turn on the AC. I'm about to take the vehicle for a spin. Peace.